Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see a little bit of compression down to test this 57 quarter. Let's just get on the hourly chart right away. We talked about 60 yesterday. That 60 area held. Weekly pivot was resistance during yesterday's session. They've taken it up over the top, traded as high as 88.5. They're coming back into weekly pivot. I'll be very interested to see if weekly pivot can be support here. You see the hourly midband matching up with the monthly pivot. 77 was a big deal yesterday. If we push below that on the open, then you start wondering where the higher low is potentially with a dip to buy. So it's up in the air. The Bears have been performing well. They're not going to get any credit from me for continuing to perform well until they get below 2660. They get below 2660, you turn that into resistance, and then we can start discussing a move down to 51 to test the daily midband. If they're able to hold anywhere from 76 to 83, then the bulls have a chance to take it up and deal with these inflection point moves that we saw on Friday up around 26.95, and then they have to deal once again with the rounding, 2700. Got to deal with it until you get up over the top of it. This is all basically noise. So should be a very interesting day to trade. I'm going to keep this short because we open up in about 25 minutes. So trade them well, and I will talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.